spotted cuckoo. A very pretty bird. Now, all the cuckoos are brood parasites. Now, it's quite a big cuckoo, and I wonder if anyone can guess what birds the great spotted cuckoo parasitizes. So, of course, brood parasite means they kick the eggs of other birds out of their nests, lay their own, and oh, there he comes. He's coming closer to us. He's going to land right next to us, so he's going to fly past us. There he goes. Oh, on the ground. Ah, termites. That's the only reason we're going to see them on the ground. Let me try move a little bit. Oh, there we go. He's running along. Must be hunting termites. Here we go. Happy cuckoo. So as I was saying, they choose normally certain species to parasitize, and I wonder if anyone knows what the most common species for the great spotted cuckoo to parasitize is. Remember the black cuckoo, which we find around the drainage lines. They parasitize bobos or southern boo-boos, the shrike families, and this one doesn't. So I wonder if anyone can guess what species the great spotted cuckoo parasitizes. If you know, send your answers through to questions at Wild Earth, or termite hunting. Questions at wildearth.tv, or use the hashtag SafariLive on Twitter. Oh, lion calling again. Those lions are outside of our Travis area. Those sound like they're in Chitwa Chitwa. Now, Chris Rogue says it's a brood parasite to magpie shrikes. That is correct. It's one of the 11 species that has been recorded as a brood parasite. But in this area, it's mostly starlings. Oh, wonderful camera work for him. Oh, and off he goes. Wow, what a lovely sighting of a not too often seen cuckoo.